I can't emphasize enough that it is profoundly in the interests of Pakistan and India to move their relationship forward. This is the hardest kind of work. It means you have to put a lot of time and effort into overcoming historical mistrust and past events, enmities that have come from that history. And you have to create a path for sustainable peace through dialogue. We applaud the efforts to do so, and we encourage both Pakistan and India to re-engage. And the United States will do whatever we can to try to help in that effort.
With India, we want a constructive, sustained, and result-oriented dialogue on all issues of mutual concern. The cancellation of the Foreign Secretary level talks by India, followed by the recent incidents of unprovoked and indiscriminate firing on the LOC and the working boundary, are a source of serious concern to us. We hope, therefore, that US, as an influential member of the international community, can prevail upon India to work with Pakistan towards regional peace and economic prosperity.